Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes?
Red.
Red. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no.
He kept walking along and singing his
Song.
And by the way, this says everything is cool. I love my red shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. By the way, this says awesome. You got it? I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue.
Rock it out, London. Keep playing the guitar.
Look, he's giving a bird ride too. Cool.
Ow.
Oh no! Pete stepped in a pile of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown.
Ooh.
Did Pete cry?
What else is brown?
Goodness, no.
Wait a minute, did Pete? Goodness,
No. All right.
He kept walking along and singing the song. He says groovy this time.
Groovy.
Groovy.
Okay, ready?
I love my brown shoes.
I love my brown shoes.
I
love my brown shoes.
He's got some coffee.
Coffee. Oh no.
No.
Oh no, Pete stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? London? White. But now they are wet. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no.
He kept walking along and singing the song. He says, rock and roll, man. Come on now. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good.
Oh.